So the F-150 is overheating, and we found out why. It's got to do with thermostat right here. When I replaced the cooling system, I actually put it backwards, so you gotta take it out. Forgot the screwdriver. So first things first, I gotta get the upper radiator hose out. That by taking this hose clamp off. Trying to take a hose clamp off with a screwdriver that's too big. Can't see. There we go. I don't know why I'm not thinking of this stuff. Gotta take these hoses off, and that should make it easier. As you can see, we can access this screw now. A lot easier. Now we gotta pop this off. Scoot it up. Oh. There ain't no coolant. Makes my life easier. Now we gotta take this hose off right here. So, can't pull this off. It's on there too tight. So I guess I've got to use a screwdriver. Get on there. Let me loosen these a little bit more. Bring them up. Well, that hose took forever. Now it's time to take these thermostat bolts out. Let's try a 1/2 inch. Perfect. See if I can get this bolt out. It's the wrong way. See if I can get this bolt out. That's not tight. There we go. Problemo. Found out this bolt down here won't come out with this. It needs a wrench. Bolt out. Wrench time. Hot wrench. Let's run back to the truck. With a little bit of magic, we got that. There we go. Part 2 in a couple hours.